Hey guys, my name is Jake. Welcome to Jake TV. Let's get a move on. So today we are going to one of my favorite restaurants in New York. It is called Totto Ramen. It's on 51st Street and it's one of the best noodle houses ever. Like literally some of the best noodles I've ever had in my whole life. So we're gonna go down there. I just got out of work and I was really struggling with what this week's video was gonna be, and then I thought, oh, I know, I can just eat. Also sorry about the audio because it's super windy. It's fall, y'all. Fall, y'all. Fall, y'all. I've got a few more blocks to go, so I'll just see if I can get any good shots of, hey son, what's up? Any good shots of some cool stops along the way. Okay. So I'm walking past like the scariest building in New York right now, and you can see it behind me. It's this really tall gray building. There's no windows, no doors. I don't know what it is. Actually, wait. Yeah, I do. It's AT&T, which means I should have really good service, but lo and behold, I only have 2 bars. So that's a little sus if you ask me. I don't know what they're up to. Let's keep moving. Eat fresh. Yes, eat fresh. Maybe I'm not the only one who feels like this, but I feel like every time I walk past a Subway, I smell that bread, which apparently has like yoga mat in it. I don't remember. That was like the rumor going around in 7th grade. But does anyone just like love the smell of Subway bread? They like pump it out, man. It's like Abercrombie and Fitch. Like you smell it from a mile away and you want it. God damn. Come on, Kumon Learning Center. Also, tell me why the Kumon kid looks like he's having the worst day ever, like he's not learning anything. Also, if I look a little different today, it's because I'm wearing my glasses. Because I'm legally blind. Kidding, that was insensitive to those who are actually legally blind. I'm sorry you can't see. Yeah, I'm wearing my glasses today, so it's still me. Okay, y'all, so we're here. So I'm gonna go get a table for 1, and I will meet you inside when I've got my food all ready to go. Oh my god, that's so good. Wait, yeah. Okay, y'all, that was amazing. It was so good and so much food. And I'm so full right now, and I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep on the train up, which is fine. That's my everyday routine. Yeah, thank you for joining me. I guess technically this was a vlog slash mukbang or eating show for you civilians. I hope you liked it. I liked eating, so maybe I'll do this again in the future. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in to Jake TV. Peace out. For you guys who are really into that. Right in the thank you for watching. If you are not already, please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.